if I not.
So $2 each, small ones, $4 each for these big ones, but we're chopping them in half. It was $3.60 to buy ones that are just that size.
So just because it's a personal pet, not that I'm ever going to be crawling through this ceiling, it's a pet hate.
Yeah, now it's pretty.
Well, like I said, it's a pet hate.
Yeah. Eliminate sharp corners.
Okay. You get a hammer and you can whale on these with me.
Just worth pointing out, there is a reason this is being cut off there, whereas this is going on for a bit longer. We're actually going to have a little bit of a, what's the word? A veranda type thing, so she can, you know, got somewhere to take muddy gumboots on and off and that sort of thing. So yeah, that's going to eventually come out from there. So in the meantime, it's just got one sticky outy edge.
$20 lower.
How's that?
Seems to fit, doesn't it?
How's that?
Right, so the purlins, these are the boards that go the entire length of the roof.
Yep.
So they've been put on in 2 halves because they just didn't have any boards that were long enough to go the whole length. Alright, the roof skeleton mostly done. There's a couple of little things that we just have to get my dad to come and... Hello!
Hi.
Clint's living up there now, but that's how proud of it he is. But yeah, unfortunately New Zealand's just gone into a level 4 lockdown, so he can't come over at the moment and advise further, so just for now we're at a bit of a standstill. However, Clint's going to start doing the pre-pipe for the air conditioner, because after much debate we decided we're going to put a little air conditioning unit in there for her, because yeah, we'll explain all that at the time. So yeah, next video doing some pre-piping for the air conditioner. Stay tuned.